Hi there, Vinicius Brasil, and I want to welcome you to my latest listing at 3311 Tracy Drive in the beautiful Cascade Park neighborhood of Santa Clara. This 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,340 square foot home is situated on a 6,400 square foot lot located here in the Cascade Park neighborhood of Santa Clara. The home features top-rated Cupertino schools, Eisenhower Elementary, Hyde Middle, and Cupertino High School. Walking distance to the Apple campus and a short distance to Main Street Cupertino. It's a wonderful floor plan with 2 living areas and 5 spacious bedrooms. The home features a U-shaped eat-in kitchen with pantry and pull-out shelving. Additional features include solar panels, tankless water heater, whole house water filter, and dual zone heating and air conditioning. Home includes a 2-car garage with automatic opener, dual pane windows throughout. Professional landscaping includes automatic sprinklers in front and backyard and an interlocking paver driveway, an Arizona flagstone patio, multiple raised planting beds, drought-resistant landscaping, 9 organic fruit trees including Santa Rosa plum, persimmon, apple, pomegranate, 2 grapefruit, orange, lemon, and tangerine trees that provide fresh, organic tree-ripened fruit year-round. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour of 3311 Tracy Drive. If you've got any more questions regarding this amazing property, feel free to reach out to me at info@thebrazilgroup.com or give me a call at 408-582-3272. We're going to be open this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 1:30 to 4:30. And also feel free to give us a call if you'd like to have a private showing as well. For more information, be sure to access the property website at 3311tracy.com. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.